na bilang isang anak, masasabi kong mabait siya, nakikinig din siya, matalinong bata at saka maloko din. May mga kalokohan din siya at times. Pero all in all, malambing na bata, wala akong masabi, mabait, saka yun, masunurin din siya.
If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good.
Anak, Wana, iyak si nanay. Happy birthday. Second birthday pa lang to, pero alam ko marami ka pang pupuntahan, marami pang celebrations na magaganap. And I hope na pagdating ng araw, kasama si Papa, si Tatay.
Hello, hi Wana. Happy birthday. Sana nag-enjoy ka sa naging party nyo yesterday. Maraming bisita. Yun nga lang wala ako. I'm sorry kasi kailangan lumayo muna ng tatay kasi tatrabaho. Pero magkikita rin tayo. And you know, 2 birthdays na ang lumipas na wala ako dyan. So hopefully next year magkakasama na tayo kasama ng nanay. Magiging 2 Christmas din and 2 New Years. So, lumalaki ka maayos, alagaan ka nila lola, ni nanay, syempre, happy birthday, and see you soon, see you next year, pag uwi ko dyan, susundin ko kayo ni nanay. Okay, bye bye, love you baby, love you.
And wala akong ibang wish kundi lumaki kang mabait na bata, may takot sa Diyos, at maging healthy palagi. Gusto ko lang ma-secure yung future mo, na lagi kaming nagpe-pray ni Tatay for you, and always know na lagi kaming nandito para sa'yo, and ikaw lang yung lagi naming iniisip sa lahat ng ginagawa namin. I love you, anak. Happy birthday.
And if we hold on tight, we'll keep